There are a lot of clinics in Antalya and in Turkey, but a lot of them feel, to me personally, they feel like mills, like factory mills, where they just put the same set of teeth on everyone and everything looks the same. But with Myra, on their Instagram page and on their website, I saw that every single smile was different. It was different. It was meant for that customer and that person. So I wanted to come here because I knew that they wouldn't just put whatever on me. They would take their time to make sure that I got what worked best for me. Myra was definitely my first choice just because they seemed very authentic from the Instagram page, and I could tell that they were genuine and they actually cared about all the patients. So I wanted to come here. Yeah. So my name is Abigail. I'm from America, California, and I came to Antalya to get my teeth done. First time in Turkey, great impressions. It is very warm here, humid, hot, but it's a great place. I love it here. Very beautiful. The beaches are beautiful. The food is great. Everyone here is nice. Yeah, I like it here. I chose Turkey because it can get good quality service and good quality procedures for relatively cheap. They can go to Mexico too, but I feel like Mexico is like, I've seen some of their teeth and I don't really like them. Same with Colombia. The US, you can get your teeth done there too, but it's a lot more expensive. And if you want to get good quality service, good quality procedures, people that care for, not that expensive, it's still not cheap, but for a good price, then Turkey is the place to come, and I'm very happy that I came here. Yes, very affordable prices for great quality. Yeah, and I'm happy that I came here. I would have gotten it done in America, but America would have cost me an arm and a leg to get it done, yeah. When I first came to the clinic, they picked me up from my hotel in a very nice, like a transport taxi, very, very nice. And I came here, first impressions was it's very, very clean, very professional, very classy. I liked it. They were all very nice and professional when it came to what my treatment was, what I needed to get done, what they could do for me. And I like that they were transparent about that, and they cared about what result would work best for me and my smile, and not just, put everything the same for everyone. I like that it was custom to my smile and my teeth. My first consultation was very lengthy, but I like that because they took time to see, okay, well, these are your teeth now. This is what we can do. This is the problems that you want to get fixed, and this is how we can fix them. We have this solution, we have this solution. We can go with Zirconium and all the different types, different colors. And they took time to make sure that I got what I wanted to get fixed. And then they took time to make sure that it would actually work for me and it was possible. And then they told me, or made me pick what color, what type, so that by the end, I knew exactly what I was getting fixed, what my teeth will be in the end result. Even though I couldn't see them, I had confidence that they were gonna be perfect for my smile. I got 20 Zirconium Veneers in BL1. I'm very happy with my results. I am very, very, very pleased that I came to Myra because, again, they took their time and they made sure that my procedure was exactly how I wanted it to come out. Even when I was in the consultation, when I was picking out the style, they made sure that it was like, okay, did you want Hollywood? Did you want natural? Did you want this? Did you want that? So I had the option to kind of pick what type of smile I wanted, and I like that too. Yes, it was painful. So they do numb you, and also you can, if throughout the procedure, if you start feeling anything, they can continue to numb you, which I really, really liked because I didn't want to feel any of it, which is good because I did not feel any of it. Obviously your teeth are going to be sensitive, but it's worth it in the end. It really is. So actually throughout the procedure, she told me that to raise my hand whenever I felt something, sensitivity, pain, any type of discomfort, just to raise my hand. And she was very, very caring and accommodating. She made sure that, I was taken care of, and that even though I couldn't feel anything in my mouth, she still kind of tried to communicate with me through different things like spray for this or shot for numbing. So even though I couldn't speak because I was numbed up, she still made sure that we could communicate and that I was comfortable. I just want to say thank you. I feel like I've said thank you so many times, but I honestly cannot appreciate them enough. They're so caring. They're wonderful people. They made sure that I was comfortable and that I was happy with my smile from the start to the end. They made sure that my trip was great. They gave me recommendations for activities in between my days. They checked up on me. They were there for me throughout my whole treatment. And I don't think I would have gotten that level of care if I went to another generic clinic somewhere else. So I'm really, really pleased that I came to Myra.